Have you heard the stories of I sold my home for $100,000 above asking, or just in 1 or 2 days? Well, there's no such thing as luck. It's called preparedness meeting opportunity. In this rundown, let's talk about planning ahead for 2022. George Murad here with Red Door Metro of Keller Williams Realty, talking about planning ahead for 2022. Great planning starts very early. Many people have an idea when they're buying and selling a home, and that's the best time to sit down and talk with us for a free consultation to lay out the roadmap for success. We have many clients who begin with us a year or two prior to selling or buying a home. We help them at that time prepare the home for the market, offer our resources, our suggestions, different ways to guide them to make sure if there's anything that needs to be prepared that we can help them prior to actually putting the home on the market. What this allows us to do as well is to pre-market the home. We a lot of times have many agents and many people coming to us asking us for homes in certain areas. They know what's there now, but they want to know what's coming up. So in the background, we try to expose your home to the market without an address, without anything in regards to anyone coming to your home, but more importantly, out there to let people know that this home will be coming on the market soon in an area. And our goal is to line up buyers for your home prior to it actually going on the market. By doing this, we end up selling the home for quicker and most times for more money than anyone else, because we not only have buyers who are there when that home actually goes on the market, but we also have attracted buyers that have watched the home waiting for it to go on the market. Now, if you're thinking about selling or buying a home in 2022, then please call us today for a free consultation and allow us to lead the roadmap for success for you and your family. Thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.